Ever felt like you're late to the crypto party? You hear whispers of friends making a killing on Bitcoin, whispers of limbos and moon landings. But then the fear sets in. Isn't cryptocurrency some shady internet thing? And what about all these stories of wallets getting hacked, people losing everything? Look, I get it. The crypto world can feel like the Wild West. Unregulated, untamed, and frankly, a little intimidating. But that doesn't mean there aren't trustworthy players out there. So, today we're asking the question, is Newton Wallet legit? We'll be diving deep into Newton, a Canadian cryptocurrency platform, to see if it lives up to its promises of security, ease of use, and affordability. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Newton is the right crypto corral for your hard-earned cash. First things first, who is Newton? Launched in 2018, Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform. They focus on making buying and selling crypto as simple and secure as possible. They cater primarily to the Canadian market, offering support for Interac deposits and withdrawals, a major plus for our friends north of the border. Security, Fort Knox or cardboard box. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Losing your login information is one thing, but losing your entire crypto portfolio due to a hack is a nightmare. So, how does Newton stack up? Here's the good news, Newton takes security seriously. They employ industry-standard security practices like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for a majority of user funds. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Cold storage refers to keeping most of their users' crypto offline, away from prying eyes and digital fingers. They also boast third-party security audits, which means independent security experts have poked and prodded Newton's systems, looking for vulnerabilities. This is a good sign. It shows Newton is willing to have its security practices scrutinized. However, no system is perfect. There's always a risk of a sophisticated attack, and it's important to remember that ultimately, you are responsible for keeping your account secure. This means using strong passwords, enabling 2FA, and being cautious about clicking on any suspicious links. User experience, friend or foe? So, Newton seems secure, but is it user-friendly? Is it all confusing charts and jargon, or can even a crypto newbie navigate it? Newton prides itself on a user-friendly interface. Their platform is clean, uncluttered, and easy to navigate. Buying and selling crypto involves a few simple clicks, and they offer clear instructions and resources for those who are new to the crypto space. Here's a bonus, Newton offers a mobile app, so you can buy, sell, and track your crypto holdings on the go. Convenience is king in today's world, and Newton delivers. Fees, Robin Hood or Greedy Goblin? Let's talk money. Nobody likes hidden fees, and crypto exchanges are notorious for them. So, what's the deal with Newton? Unlike some other platforms that charge a flat fee per transaction, Newton uses a spread pricing model. This means the price you see includes a built-in spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price of a particular cryptocurrency. The spread varies depending on the crypto you're buying or selling, but it's generally considered competitive compared to other Canadian exchanges. Newton also offers a discount for larger trades, making it an attractive option for those looking to invest more significant amounts. There are no hidden fees, and everything is transparently displayed before you confirm a transaction. The verdict, saddle up or stay on the sidelines. So, is Newton Wallet legit? The answer, as with most things in life, is it depends. If you're a Canadian crypto newbie looking for a secure and user-friendly platform to buy and sell your first Bitcoins or Ethereum, then Newton is a solid choice. Their focus on security, ease of use, and competitive fees makes them a good starting point in your crypto journey. However, if you're a seasoned crypto trader looking for advanced features and the tightest possible spreads, then there might be other platforms better suited to your needs. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Newton is up to you. Do your research, understand the risks involved in any cryptocurrency investment, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.